Hello guys, I don't know what to say. Welcome back to the garden. As you guys know, Florida been freezing to the bad weather. The garden are not looking good, but I'm trying to keep them alive. Look at all of those big mango trees. They're not dying, but it's bad. Look at them, all of them are burning. And they wasn't here. I just took them from another side to bring them to this side. I regret not to bring them. Mama, regret not to bring them from this side. They're not looking good at all. This side not looking good. Oh my god. There's a small tree here.